United Airlines has opted to order Boeing 787s to support a significant portion of its wide-body replacement program, but the airline's long-standing order for Airbus A350s remain intact for now. The Chicago-based operator has ordered 100 787s and has options for 100 more. So in this video, we're going to talk about the big Airbus A350 news. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. United said it has the flexibility to choose among the 787-8, 787-9, and 787-10 variants. The order had been deferred at least twice previously. Deliveries are scheduled to begin in 2024 and continue through 2032, Reuters reported. United CEO Scott Kirby told reporters, "The right time for 350 versus 787 conversation is when we're replacing the bulk of the 777s, which really doesn't begin to the end of the decade. Most observers believe this order will be cancelled eventually. United already has a large fleet of 787s. Adding the A350s will provide an extra range that the 787s don't have, but how many routes need the extra range to justify another fleet type? Some believes that United can cancel the orders for 45 A350s at little cost. The deposits may easily be applied to orders for more A321s, but cancellation penalties are believed to be de minimis. Based on 2018 list prices, the last ones published by Airbus, United could get about 110 more A321s in exchange for the A350s. The number is probably a little less since the XLRs are more expensive than the A321neo standard. The list price makes no distinction between the subtypes." Commenting on the order, United CEO Scott Kirby remarked, "United emerged from the pandemic as the world's leading global airline and the flag carrier of the United States. This order further solidifies our lead and creates new opportunities for our customers, employees, and shareholders by accelerating our plan to connect more people to more places around the globe and deliver the best experience in the sky." Before we move on, support us by hitting subscribe and the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. Now let's get back to our topic. Meanwhile, his Boeing commercial airplanes counterpart Stan Deal added, "With this investment in its future fleet, the 737 MAX and 787 will help United accelerate its fleet modernization and global growth strategy. The Boeing team is honored by United's trust in our family of airplanes to connect people and transport cargo around the world for decades to come." The massive order comes just 3 months after Boeing resumed deliveries of 787s to its airline customers after the FAA stopped certifying the planes for more than a year after discovering a series of production problems in its huge factory in North Charleston, SC. The airplane manufacturer was forced to halt deliveries and slow down production in May 2021 after inspections found manufacturing flaws, including unacceptable gaps between fuselage panels, among other issues. Additionally, United continues its unprecedented effort to upgrade the interiors of its existing fleet. More than 90% of the carrier's international wide-bodies now feature the United Polaris business class seat as well as United Premium Plus seating. Upgrades for the remaining aircraft will be completed by the summer of 2023. United also will retrofit 100% of its mainline narrow-body planes with its signature interior. About 100 aircraft are scheduled to be completed in 2023, with the remaining expected to be completed by the end of 2025. United still has 45 A350-900s on order stemming from a 2012 agreement for 25 that was revised in 2013 and then again in 2017. During a conference call to discuss United's future wide-body fleet, the airline's CFO Jerry Latterman said the company has entered into an agreement with Airbus to modify the delivery schedule of the aircraft. Latterman stated the A350 deliveries are not scheduled to start until 2030 and added the Airbus wide-body was a really great option as a 777 replacement. But given the age of a good chunk for our 777s, the ultimate decision on what to replace the 777s within their entirety is something we don't have to decide right now, United's CFO said. The fleet discovery database shows the airline has 37 767-300ERs and 12 767-400ERs in service. 3 767-300ERs are parked in reserve and 4 are parked. 3 of the 767-400ERs are parked and a single aircraft is in storage. Ultimately, it would seem that United has decided to metaphorically kick the can down the road a little further, without providing any more certainty as to the fate of its Airbus commitment. So that's it. Please like, share, and comment your thoughts below if you like this video. Remember to subscribe to see our next video. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video just for you guys.